Hey queens and kings, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video as well as watching. So today I decided to try my hand at a Valentine Day DIY. I don't know why, because I'm really not decorated for Valentine, but I decided to make this little gorgeous wreath that you guys see for you. If you all would like to see how I created, why don't you all please continue to watch.
Why are you going back and forth?
Alright, queens and kings, so starting off with this little flimsy wreath that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now I was looking for the metal one, but I did not see it, so I decided to just use what they had because I was not driving all over the world looking for one. So what I'm trying to do here is take off all this red, I'm not sure what it called, but I'm just trying to take the redness off as well as the arrow. It just basically get the base of it, and I had to figure it out. And at this point here, I realized I actually broke it, so that did not turn out very well for me. So I basically had to work with a broken heart. Oh, how sad, but hey, life goes on when you repair it. You know, I'm just gonna remove all this tool or tool, I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna take it all off. Alright, queens and kings, so basically here's my broken heart, and I'm showing you guys how the arrow is basically attached to the heart. So see how the heart is brown? I'm just going to use this bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled. So, and instead of me taking this outside spray painting because it was late night, I'm just going to use the bling wrap to cover up the brownness, so therefore I don't have to see none of that or it show through any of the brooches that I will be using later on in the video. Alright, so now for the fun part here. So all these bling here, well, not all, just about most of them did come from Totally Dazzled. Basically this one here I showed you guys in the previous video. This one definitely came from Totally Dazzled. This is a pair of earrings. So basically I have a lot of glamorous decor pieces. This is a little flower pick. This one from Totally Dazzled. So as you guys can see, they have some beautiful pieces, and basically I'm going to use these to outline the one side of the heart. Now I want it to be glamorous, of course. You guys already know I have to do everything with some glam. So if you're not here for the glam, baby, this is not the channel for you. But it's okay. You'll love it. You'll love it. I promise you. So as you guys can see, the brooches here do have like the pin back. So basically you can put it on your clothing. You can put it on your curtains. You can put it on your towels. You can put it on wherever you would desire to put it at. So I'm basically going to use the pin on the back of it and secure them going around one side of the heart, as you guys can see. So I did find a little rhythm that I was going to do, or what I am doing. You see I have a brooch with the diamond in the middle, then I have just a starburst brooch that I used on the previous DIY once again. So, and as you can see, this one here did not have the pin on the back of, so that's basically I used it for something else. So I'm recycling a lot of the brooches that I did have once before, and I'm doing the same thing with this one, but I'm just going to glue it on. So I'm going to continue doing this pattern all the way around.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet.
Okay, queens and kings, so this is basically how she looking. Now you see there's a little bit of weight with the brooches. Now I also said to put the brooches all the way around. Me to say halfway. The reason for it is because I'm going to glue these beautiful purple peonies around on the opposite side of it. Now I'm not the pink or the red type of queen. I'm the purple. I'm the royal. So that's basically why I'm going with this color here. A little something a little bit different. But after I get through gluing these on, it's going to put a little bit more weight to this wreath. Now, I think I mentioned that it's a little flimsy, which it is. It's plastic, so it is. But the way that I'm going to hang it up on my door, place it on my door, is going to be just fine. So I do advise you all, if you can find a metal wreath, go ahead with the metal wreath, because that's more stronger, give you more support and everything like that. Now, if you go this route that I'm doing here, you're going to need something a little bit more sturdy. So you may want to glue some cardboard or trace it out and make it a little bit stronger. That is all up to you. I didn't have the patience for all that. So anyways, I'm flipping it over to support it even more by gluing my brooches down. Basically where the pin cross over on the wreath. Just a small amount of glue, so therefore they do not move.
Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Daisies keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is
Beautiful, right? So you can't stop at this moment here. It's all up to you. So what I'm going to do is just make a little simple bow that usually I make during around the holiday time. I don't even know how I learned how to make this bow. I can't tell you how. Just pay attention to it. But after this, once we put the bow on and everything, I'm going to show you guys basically how I'm going to hang it on the door.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low.
All right, queens and kings, so my secret is out. This is basically how I'm going to hang her up on the door using command script. So I try to put at least 3, but I think 4 will work better. So this is how she hanging up on the door. Gorgeous, right? I love the way that this turned out. As you guys can see, I did add a little bit more to it, which was just a little crystals pick. And look how sparkly and beautiful she is. Now, I'm telling you, queens and kings, you want to hit up Totally Dazzle. I am affiliated with them. I will leave affiliated link down below so you guys can get your hands on some of these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous brooches. Like, I love them. I love them. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because we're almost at 50,000 and we will be doing a giveaway. So continue to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you queens and kings in the next video. You guys continue to be what? Royal. Bye bye.